Everyone telling me, well, you're bringing over too much stuff. You're taking too long to pack. Oh, really? I have 30 years. You have just your years with you.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
I'm teasing him a little bit because, you know, he took some of the boxes that I have emptied and took them to his house. So he's beginning that
nice.
process. He's like, yeah, you know, this is kind of hard. I'm like, yeah, fake. You know what, guys? We are really going to try and get to some questions. I think I have, oh my gosh, I have a lot on Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, I hope you guys have really enjoyed watching Little People Big World this season. I think it was a good season. You know, and like I said, I would have loved to have watched Jackson, but it was more conducive for Karen and Matt to do that because that was November. I was in the process of moving. I was in the process of painting the house that I'm in right now. So there was just a lot going on. And I did not have, well, I wasn't even moved into this house yet because she was born in November. So I was really grateful. Yeah. So I was really grateful that Karen and Matt were there. And I got to drop everything and go over to Zach and Tori's house and take care of them before, you know, they showed up and stuff. My reward was that I got to see Lila the night that she was born. So
that was beautiful.
I was happy about that.
That was beautiful. That was. I saw you trying to take care of Murphy. How much does that dog weigh?
Well, he's a big dog. But, you know, I should have known better because I just left the gate open. But like any dog, he was so excited to see me. And, you know, there's commotion going on in the house. Everyone was gone and I was there. And no, this was about the meals I was bringing over.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I was bringing over meals and they were coming home. That was it. I think they were coming home later that day. Murphy got brought back to the house because I think Tori's mom watched him. And no, Murphy, he gets so excited because he smells Felix on me and everything. And so I try and give him some loving. But
does he weigh 100 pounds?
Oh, I don't know how much he weighs. Just he's a big dog. But I didn't want him running around all over the house and all that stuff. So I took him downstairs. And when you saw that interview, I hung out with him in the backyard for a little bit and stuff.
That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah, Murphy's just a big, giant,
lovey dog.
Dog of love. You know? So, yeah.
Oh, do you want to do some shout outs?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. I got to do this. Hang on.
Don't accept.
I know. Hang on here. Let me, okay. I've got Anne. Love seeing your show. Vermont. Sue from Vermont. What's wrong with me? Unlike my friends and family, do not see size or color or anything else. Be good person and love and kindness. You know what? That is so true.
Darcy.
You know, yeah, Darcy. Sometimes I think those are easy words just to put out there and say, well, just love everyone. Just be kind. But think about our own family. We're going through drama and dramatic things in our own family. Or think about your close friend and a discussion you had and someone pouts off and you don't talk to them for a few days and then you come together. Sometimes it's whatever place we're in right now, it's how we're receiving that information. Mm-hmm. And I think we sometimes have to look back at how our own reaction was and say, yeah, it may have not been the appropriate way, but still validate, you know, how you may have felt or whatever. But if you need to go back and apologize, say, you know what, I'm so sorry that I said what I said or how I said it. That was wrong. And I did not mean whatever it may be.
That's the best thing to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a good.
Well, I've remembered a couple of incidences. Well, probably many, but we'll always say a couple. But, you know, I've had to go back and say, hey, I'm so sorry. I'm not sorry how I felt, but I'm sorry how I reacted because I could have done a better job and maybe things could have been talked about, you know, better. So, Anyway,
Yeah, but that's live and learn and, do
yeah,
the best you can. So,
I'm going to see about questions on Instagram. Hey, Instagram people.
hey.
Zach and Tori will have another baby. Well, you know what? I think they will, but I think they need to embrace what they have. I think one of the assumptions is, because I don't believe this, like Matt and I are two different kinds of dwarfs. So we had a 50-50 chance of having a dwarf child.
Oh,
So
yeah.
Zach was my only dwarf child, and I had 3 average size. Zach and Tori only have a 50-50 chance of having a dwarf child. They happen to have 2 right now.
Ooh, that's surprising.
So it's not going to, I won't assume, and I hope, they don't either, and I don't think they do. But it's not going to be assumed because they had 2 with a likelihood and a bigger chance or better chance that they're going to have another little person. I don't believe that. I still think each and every pregnancy, they still have a 50-50 chance.
Oh,
And
interesting.
who knows? They might have gotten the little people draw. But Tori has all of my love, all of my support, because within your own family, you definitely don't want to, not that she does, but I'm just talking in general, feel like the oddball.
Right, right.
So,
Right. Did you see that the thing she posted about Jackson? She put some gummy bears on the table.
Oh,
And
yeah.
she said, stay there. I'll be
Yeah.
right back. I'm going to use the restroom. Don't eat them. And his
Yeah.
mind was just going.
But you know
was a
what?
cute test.
It must be a big thing that's going on, because
It
she
is.
did it. It was so cute to see Jackson and the
Yeah.
anticipation and waiting. And of course, us watching it like
Yes.
him, we're like, man, this looks like forever.
Right,
But
right.
he did so good. And Audrey did the same thing for
Yes,
Ember.
for Ember. And she had to take
And so that was adorable too, because well, she took like just this little
tiny
thing
space.
on the top
I
of it.
know. It was
And
so cute. Her mind was
yeah,
going. She was.
I don't know. I can
Yeah,
see Ember being maybe, what they don't see, they don't know.
that's cute. Hey,
Kids will
do
be
you
kids,
think
though.
Jackson and Lila, are they getting along now? Is Jackson, has he adjusted to having
Oh
Lila?
yeah. No, I think he's getting along a lot better.
Big
I
adjustment.
think Lila is moving around more. She's 6 months old. I can't even believe 6
6
months.
months.
Where did that go?
Oh
I
my
think I
God.
might have to take off my shirt. I'm getting hot.
It's
But
your wine.
someone said it's not a neck. I don't know what that means.
You had that argument with Matt a couple episodes back.
Oh, yeah. I know. It's a flag lot. I'm
It's a
telling
flag
you,
lot, not
it
a
is
neck.
more common to be a flag lot than a neck. I'm just saying. I should have just walked away from that conversation.
Yeah, in the future, that's one of those things you've learned from. It's like, why even go there?
Where is Chris? Chris is now realizing that, Amy's gotten a lot of the garage, unpacked, the boxes and everything.
Ooh, that's a good
I better
sign.
look at my house and see what I got to do. And I'm like, oh yeah, now you're going to know how I felt. Everyone telling me, well, you're bringing over too much stuff. You're taking too long to pack. Oh, really? I have 30 years. You have just your years with you.
Yeah.
So I'm teasing him a little bit because, he took some of the boxes that I've emptied and took them to his house. So he's beginning that process. He's like, yeah, this is kind of hard. I'm like, yeah, fake.
Right. When everyone was breathing down your neck. When are you moving? When are you?
But he's been in his house for a long time. I mean, in fact, his sister came in from town, and I was glad I had a chance to meet her. Not meet her, but see her again. And so we had a great conversation, and they were just talking about all the memories, because he's been in that house for like 17, 18 years.
Really?
And so, just having his family over there, some of his siblings that have come over there, they've come here for the family reunions and stayed at his house. So I'm like, Chris, I can so relate. I mean, it's tough.
They have to walk in your shoes now.
Yeah. And
what's
so
going on with the farm right now?
I will give him a lot of grace. That is for sure. And there was one question,
Oh.
someone about how is he adjusting? You know, I think it'll be a process for both of us to feel like this is our home. I mean, I will admit a lot of the stuff in here for furniture and everything is mine. But he'll bring over some extra chairs and some of his pictures and you know, stuff like that. Why do I hear an echo? Am I talking too loud? Anyway, so I think once we hang up some pictures, we only have a few pictures of he and I, but I'm going to print out some pictures of us on the motorcycle, and I'm in the game
Aw.
room now. If people can see, I'm in the game room,
Yep.
and because it's got carpeting and everything, I would thought maybe that'd help the echo. But anyway, so you know, we're still continuing to make those adjustments on making the house our own, and so yeah, I think that'll take time. But I think once he starts packing his house and actually feels like he's moving here,
Mm-hmm.
you know, that'll be like,
Yeah,
whoa.
it's his turn.